In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find my Shopify store URL. Knowing your store URL is important because you may need it for sharing your storefront, connecting apps, setting up marketing tools, or confirming that you are working in the correct store. Shopify can show you a custom domain you own, and it also gives every store a permanent address that ends in myshopify.com. I will walk you through both ways to find it. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your dashboard, look to the lower left area for Settings. Click Settings and then select Domains. This section is where Shopify manages every domain connected to your store, including your default Shopify domain and any custom domains you have purchased or connected. On the Domains page, take a moment to scan the list of domains. You want to find the one labeled Primary Domain. The primary domain is the main website address Shopify uses for your online store. If you have a custom domain like a branded web address, that is usually what will appear as the primary domain. If you have not connected a custom domain, the primary domain may be your myshopify.com address instead. When you find the primary domain label, the domain shown next to it is the URL you will typically share with customers. Now, if you specifically need your permanent Shopify URL, there is another quick option. While you are logged in, go up to your browser address bar. You will usually see a web address that includes your store name and ends with /admin because you are viewing the admin area. Carefully remove only the /admin part from the end of the address, and then press enter. What remains is your store's permanent, myshopify.com URL. This address stays with your store even if you change or replace a custom domain later, so it can be useful for logins, app setups, and troubleshooting. After you find the correct URL, copy it and save it somewhere secure so you can access it quickly when you need it. And that is all there is to it.